What's up, everybody? I am excited to announce that I have changed my Calendly link. So as you guys know, anybody can schedule an interview with me. But ultimately, I feel like interviews is too limiting. I want anybody in the world to be able to just schedule time with me and know that it's going on my YouTube channel. So I have set up 3 different kinds of videos that we can make together for the channel. Okay, so as you guys already know, I've been doing the interview thing. And in my head, this is how I introduce people to the audience. The interview is the best way to start. And then after that, we can do Q&A videos or topic conversation videos. Unless you're a dropshipper and you don't care about the interview stuff and you specifically just want to ask me questions. Like specifically you want me to answer questions that you have, then do a Q&A. You don't have to do an interview with me. But I really like the interviews. I like, if you're like trying to say that you have software that you want some publicity for, or you have a course or any of that, I'm going to really push you to do the interview first. But if you're just some random person who doesn't have some kind of link to share and benefit from the traffic, then you can do whatever you want, right? You could just have a conversation with me, or we could do a Q&A. So for the topic conversation, it can literally be anything that you want. You pick the topic, and then we talk about it, okay? So these are the 3 kinds of scheduling that you can do. If you want to schedule a video with me, the only thing to know is that everything that's done through this service absolutely will be published. This is a service that creates YouTube videos. So understand that if you sign up for any of these, you're on a Skype call with me that is then being uploaded to YouTube. These are public, okay? And when I start the recording, or when I do the call with you guys, regardless to which one you pick, I don't start recording straight away, so don't worry. We have time to talk at the beginning, just if there's something you want to avoid me asking you about, or whatever. Actually, nobody has asked me to avoid anything yet, which is kind of surprising to me. But we have a little bit of time in the beginning of the call to start the recording, just so you know. I don't start the recording and then press call. I start the call, make sure the audio is right, double check everything, chat with you for a minute, and then I start the recording during the conversation. Okay? So now that I've gone over the 3 different ways you can schedule time with me, doing an interview, a topic conversation, or a Q&A, let's actually look at what happens when you want to schedule the time, right? So in order to schedule time with me, it's free, and all you have to do is go to calendly.com/JackDermotPittman. There is a link in this video below, and then you'll be at this page. So say that you want to do a Q&A session with me. You can then open it up, and you can pick the days that are available, okay? So let's say we want to do it on Monday. You can then pick an available time slot. My time slots are 5 o'clock and 10 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, or 5 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. So I have 1 slot in the morning and 1 slot at night every day, Monday through Friday. Except Friday, I only have the slot at 5 p.m. So there are a potential of 9 interviews available, 9 sessions per week. All right. And so at the moment, I'm not fully booked. Eventually, once this is more mainstream, this is probably going to be how I create content for this YouTube channel. And then I do other stuff sometimes. But I'm looking to have this be my future. I really love the idea that anybody in the world can schedule time with me and talk to me. Because honestly, as long as I can post the video, I'm happy to talk about absolutely anything, whether it's drop shipping or life or death or emotions or girls, it doesn't matter. Anything that you want to talk about, I will talk to you about, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Go to the link in the description if you want to set up time with me. And aside from that, have a great day. Ciao, guys.